Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about list in Python. A list is a data structure consisting of collection of elements. Each element has a value and an index. Index in list starts from 0. List in Python can contain the values of different data types like strings, integer, objects, etc. Using list, we can create list, access list, slicing list, deleting the elements. You can iterate and you can do the concatenation, and so many built-in functions are also available in list in Python. List creation. Now we will see how to create a list in Python. The lists are enclosed in square bracket. So if you are creating a list, give it in square bracket, and each item is separated by a comma. So within square bracket, type the first element, separate it by comma, give the second element. For example, list 1 equal to English Hindi 1997-2000. So for English and Hindi, it is considered as a string, so give it in quotes. For numerical, quotes not necessary. Another list 2 is created with only the numbers. You can have the list with numbers and also the characters or any data type. You can have the combination of different data types also. List 3 is entirely of strings, so it is having quotes in that. A, B, C, D are the values. Next, list indexing. The given string is prob. PROB is the given string, and the length of that string is 5. The index value is of two types here. One is positive index, another one is negative index. So positive index, if you see, it will start from the character first letter with the number 0. So the first letter will be taking the number as 0. Second one will be taking the second character, and 2 will take the third character. So 1 to n. The negative index means from the last it will begin and it will starts from -1. So you have the numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Indexing and slicing. So one list is created here with the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and below that you have the index elements like in memory how it is stored. So list of 0 equal to 0, 1 is equal to 1, 2 equal to 2, like that each and every element will be accessed. So inside that square box is that number index value, and outside that is the value given. And we will see now the slicing. List 0 colon. That colon indicates after the colon you should have some number. So starting number, then colon, you can have some ending number. And here in this case, list starting number is 0 and ending number is not specified. So whatever you have till the end, everything will be printed. So list of 0 colon indicates 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next content is list empty colon. So no starting value, no ending value. So all the numbers will be displayed in the output. Then third list is list 2 colon 4. So it will start from the number index 2 till 4 indicates up to 3 only it will be taking, like n minus 1. Like in the range how we have used, similar to that. Here the values will be 2 and 3. Next list 1 colon 3. So it will be taking 1, starting from 1 and 2 will be taken, 3 will be excluded from that. 3 will not be considered. And last example is list colon 4. So from the beginning all the numbers will be taken up to that 4. That last number is 4 means up to n minus 1. Up to 3 all the numbers in the list will be displayed. Next, slicing the list. So Monty Python is the word I have given here, and it is having the numbers. It is numbered in positive way and in also in the negative manner. So the positive index will be from 0 to 11 and negative indexes are from -1 to -12. Okay. For the space also one box will be allocated. And we will see now from 6:10 if you give, then it will be taking the values from 6 to 9. So it is highlighted here. So you will be getting the result like PYTH. And in the second example, if you see -12 colon -7. So it will start from -12 until -8 only it will be taken, because the last one is -7 before that. So you will be getting the output like Monty, MONTY will be printed in the output. Next, iterating the list. So already we discussed about the for loops, while loop, and now we will see how to iterate the list. So list elements can be accessed using the looping statements. So list equal to 3, 5, 9. I am creating a list here with the numbers 3, 5, 9. So give it with a comma and you have the square brackets. For I in range 0, len of list. So up to that length will be taken starting from the 0, and print list of I. So print list of I means the numbers in that will be printed. So can you guess what will be the output? Right, the output will be 3, 5, 9. Okay, fine. Move on to the next one, the list methods. We have various methods in the list, like append, count, extend, index, insert, pop, copy, remove, reverse, sort. So append means the elements will be added at the end. Count is, it will be counting the number of items which are passed as argument. If you send the number like 3, how many 3 are present in that given list? Then extend is, all the elements will be added. From one list the elements will be added to the another list. Then index, it will be giving the index value of that item. Then insert, the element will be inserted in the specified index. Pop is, it will be deleting that number from the list and it will be returning that element also. Copy is taking another copy of the same content. Remove is removing an element from the list. Reverse is, the entire content will be reversed. Sorting is arranging the contents in ascending order. Next we have the sample code for creating the list. Loop over the list and print all the elements that are of size 3. So one list is given here and we are going to print the numbers with 3 elements. Print the list with 3 elements for x in my list. So it will be iterating that if len of x, so each and everything, if for the first time x will be taking the values like 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 entire set will be taken and the length is calculated. If it is equal to 3, then it will be printed. The next 4, 5, 6, 7, it is having 4 elements, so it won't print that. If then next is 8, 9, 10, it is of 3 elements, so that 8, 9, 10 will be printed. So you will get in the output 1, 2, 3 and 8, 9 and 10. Next we have the sample code for append and extend. So odd is equal to 1, 3, 5. I have 3 odd numbers here. Odd dot append. So I am going to add the next odd number here. That is with the help of the append operator. Append is a function here. Print odd. So 1, 3, 5, 7 will be printed. Then odd dot extend. Along with that I am extending 3 more numbers, 9, 11 and 13. Then I am printing odd. So odd is the list and we will see now the output. So 2 times we are displaying the output. In the first time print odd, if you see, you will get the values like 1, 3, 5, 7. And in the second odd you will get the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. along with this 9, 11 and 13 also. Next we have concatenation. List 1 is 1, 2 and list 2 is another list which has the numbers 3 and 4, and list 3 is list 1 plus list 2. I am going to concatenate both the list here. So print list 3. So what will be the output now? So 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the output, which is the result of the concatenation function. Concatenation operator here is plus. You can understand the concepts of list now. Thank you.